Guys, what is up guys? It is your girl back with another makeup tutorial. For today's tutorial, I will be showing you guys how I get this look right here. Now, I will only be doing the eye portion of this makeup look just because I do have a full tutorial on my entire base, my foundation, my face, on how I got this foundation because I actually tested a new foundation on my channel. I'm going to go ahead and link that right up here for you guys. And if you guys are interested on how I get this easy back to school makeup look, not only using 3 eyeshadows, but this is literally, you can possibly do this under 10 minutes. And if you guys actually want to see an under 10 minutes back to school makeup look, I'm more than happy to share that with you guys. Something a little bit more easier, something a little bit more less dramatic. Now, if you guys are interested on seeing this easy back to school makeup look, then vámonos, let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, let's go ahead and get ready for school. We will be taking the Morphe 350 palette. I'm going to take this shade right here and we are going to buff that right on the crease. That's going to be our transition shade. Now, I am going to say for school, I barely ever applied makeup. Actually, I never applied makeup. All I did was just eyeliner, lip gloss, and I thought I was like hella cute. But for today, I do want to give you guys a little bit of something different for the first day of school, just because I do feel like girls nowadays, they do wear more makeup to school than what it used to be back in the days. I mean, like when I was in high school or middle school, no one really wore a full face of makeup, but now all of that is changing. And I do want to give you guys more like a fresh face back to school makeup look, just the eye portion, because the face is already done. Now I am blending that brush. No, I'm not blending the brush. I'm blending that eyeshadow with the Morphe M504, and whatever is on that brush, I am going to blend it down to the lower lash, kind of give it a little bit of like a smoky vibe. Now I did like that color because it just gives it like a nice wash of eyeshadow. You really don't have to try too hard when you're going to school. And usually, I don't know about you guys, but usually we're always running late. So something like this, very simple but super easy, is definitely what I like to go for. Now I'm just taking back again that same eyeshadow and just emphasizing it more right here under that crease, to just make it seem as if I'm using more than one eyeshadow, but I'm really not. Just going back and forth. And if it looks like I'm going super fast, is because it is a back to school makeup look. Nobody's gonna wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning to put a full face. Usually what's going to happen on first day, you might put a full face of makeup, but wait until December, when you're just not ready to get out of bed and you're like, what am I gonna do to my eyes? This is exactly what's gonna happen. Next, we're gonna take the Morphe 35C palette, this yellow eyeshadow that looks more like green. We're gonna apply that just right on top of that other eyeshadow, just a tad bit. And I am dusting off the excess of that eyeshadow because it's just hella green. I don't want it to be green. I just want just a little bit of that yellow eyeshadow just to make it more like very fresh and springy and summery. Could even say that right. The same exact palette, we're gonna take this eyeshadow right here, which is a brown, very lightly, tap off the excess. We're going to apply that right here on the outer V. Now we're not going super crazy with it because, like I said, it is the first day of school and we just don't want to go too crazy with these eyeshadows. Going back in with that other brush, the M504, just blending it right over here. Doing the same thing on the other side. Whatever's left on that brush, we're going to take it right down here on the lower lash. It just saves you some time to blend and smoke out the lower lash. You don't have to worry so much about doing like an extra step. Just use whatever's left on that brush and just always bring it down. This is what the eyes look like so far. If you want to leave it like this, put a wing, put some lashes, you're good to go. But I do want to take it just a tad bit more. This is going to be the third eyeshadow I'm going to put on, and I am going to take this eyeshadow right here. This is from the Morphe 35F palette. I'm going to take that with my finger just because I do feel like I get more product out of it instead of applying it with an actual brush. Going back in with the other brush with no added product, just blending those two eyeshadows. It is the first day of school, so I do want to go just a tad bit more extra. I'm going to apply a liner. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Now to line the waterline, I'm going to take the Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On Eye Pencil. Next, for mascara, we're going to take the Maybelline Total Temptation. The eye portion, it is fairly done. We're going to leave it just like that. And then we're going to apply some lip liner along with lip gloss, and we are all set. The lip liner, this is the PS Lip Liner. And I really love this. I'm running low. I need to go get more. Going on with my lip gloss, this is the shade Aquarius from the ColourPop collection with, I believe this is with Kathleen Lights. This is it, guys. This is the final look for a back to school makeup look. I think not only is it fresh, is it easy. All I'm using is just 3 eyeshadows. You can definitely get this done in like maybe 10 minutes or less. So if you're running late and you want like a quick, easy, smoky look, this is perfect for not only a back to school makeup look, but also if you're running late to class, if you need to just put everything on together. And also, you don't even have to do like a crazy smoky eye. You can just put a nice shimmery eyeshadow all over the lid and you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so every time I upload, you guys are notified. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.